Good morning, guys. Today we have a hit hurricane coming at you. It's all body weight, so go ahead and back yourself up. We're gonna start on the standing up, so go ahead and find your spots. Hands behind your head, feet apart, squeeze your feet nice and easy, and we're gonna work on that power squat position and working on getting low and keeping the back retracted. Breathe out on the way up. We're gonna go right into a forward lunge return, alternating in 2 and 1. Alternate 1 foot forward, step back and switch feet. Try to get those hands to kind of work with you. Get them flowing. Next thing we're gonna do is a side lunge. On my countdown, we're gonna switch to the back and forth, alternating side lunges in 2 and 1. Step one way, up and over. Same thing with the arms. One hand goes back, opposite hand to the knee that you're using goes in front. And the final lunge we're gonna do is that reverse lunge. On my countdown, 3, 2, 1, and reverse. A whole series here. Keep going. And 3, 2, and 1. All right, what we're gonna do next is a simple toe touch to our overhead reach. So go ahead and fold over, get that hamstring and low back nice and taut, and stand up and reach overhead. From here, we're gonna get those feet nice and wide and go into a plank walkout, including a push-up. So one more, wide stance. Each time you crawl out, give me 1 push-up and walk your hands back. So squat down, crawl out for 1, crawl back, stand up each time. Try to get between 3 and 5, depending on how much you need to get through and how fast you're going. I'm on 3, try to get 2 more. On this next, on our final one, we're gonna go right into fire hydrants. So you're gonna see me crawl out, do 1 more push-up. When I come up from that push-up, I'm dropping my knees down into alternating fire hydrants. Swing that left knee off to the side and back, left to right. Looking good, Kate. All right, next thing we're gonna do from this position is the bird dog. Opposite arm, opposite leg, reach, and extend. Let's switch sides in 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and switch. Three, 2, and 1. Shift your weight back through your hips. Come forward into a sprinter lunge. So we're gonna come forward, stepping, and opening up to the inside hand for 3. Now before you switch sides, stand tall, and now we're gonna rotate for 3 as well. After those 3, we're gonna do the same thing opposite way. So shift your weight back through your hips, bring the opposite foot forward, internal rotation for 3, and then up top rotation for 3. So shift back, bring the opposite foot forward, now I'm reaching across. Shifting my weight forward, hands behind my head, and now we're rotating. All right. After we're done that one, I'm gonna go ahead and sit down on the ground. We have the rollover series. Tuck in, left, right, center. Try to get 3 sets through this. We'll grab the knees, roll back, and fire away. And 1 more set all the way through. Awesome job. All right, let's hop on back up when you're ready. A little bit more of a warm-up. We got jumping jacks, seal jacks, butt kickers, and knee drive. All 4 of them, back to back to back. On my countdown, we'll start shifting through the forward. All right? Here we go, 3, 2, and jumping jacks. We're gonna switch over to seals in 3, 2, seals. Knee drive, running in place. Sorry, butt kickers first, in 2, 1, drive the heels back. And then the final one we'll do is that knee drive. So go ahead and get those quads to stretch, hamstrings to turn on. And 3, 2, 1, knee drive. Stay upright. 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Go ahead and grab yourself a drink. We're gonna go over the first round of our hurricane in just a sec. Okay, if you can't hear me well, just give me like a wave or something and I'll change the way I'm talking. All right, guys, so this first round, you need a little bit of room. We're gonna be holding a squat and going into a shuffle back and forth. So you're gonna see me stay using the whole entire camera lane, staying low. When I go to shuffle, don't lean away from the next direction. You wanna lean into the next direction. So I'm going this way, you'll see my body stay over here on my stop. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Keep the weight towards the next direction, stay low, work on how many times you go back and forth. And then the two exercises that we're following with is going to be a squat jump, as high as you guys can, followed by toe touches. Each one of those is gonna be time-based, so it's gonna be as many as you guys can get in there, hop up after some recovery and get back in it. So side shuffle, squat jumps, toe touches. Let's get rolling. 3 sets. All right, here we go. 5 seconds. Get low to start. 2, 1, and again. Shuffle across, stop, and across, stop. Try to keep yourself fast and low. We don't want to come up as you guys are shuffling. Maintain a low position. Keep going, keep going. We're right there, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, find your spot, squat jumps. Ready, set, and go. Keep your pace. Hands go back on the way down, hands come up on the way up. 3, 2, 1, take a seat for toe touches. Ready, set, go. Breathe out on the way up and try to keep those feet straight. Shoulder blades down, shoulder blades up. Shin stays tucked the whole time. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Count your breath throughout that first round. Good pace so far. So, details. In the shuffle, stay low and lean in the inside edge. For the jumps, land low and snap those hands back. And for the toe touches, keep your chin tucked and keep getting the shoulder blades off the ground. We got 10 more seconds off. We're going back in the next set. Let's get in that defensive position, Kate. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Low and fast. Keep the shoulder blades relaxed. Keep your chin tucked and let those legs burn. As our basketball coach used to call it out, play them east to west, not north and south. 3, 2, 1. Stand up, start low, hands back. 3, 2, 1. Keep going. 5, 2, 1. Deep breath, take a seat. Here we go. 3, 2, toe touch. Keep going. Chin tucked. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. All right, we got one more set to get through. Take a deep breath. This is a fast first round. Do yourself a favor and stand up earlier than later. All right. We got one more set to get through. Ten seconds. Take a deep breath. All right. Last round, let's go all out in 2, 1, begin. Breathe out every time you stop. Three, 2, 1. Stand tall to start. Big breath. Now load in, hands back. 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, time. On the ground. 3, 2, 1. Keep it up. Find a fast speed, guys. Keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Let's check that pulse for the first set. Ready. Go. Stop. All right, guys. We got 1 minute off. Get some water, catch your breath. Great first round. After that minute, we're gonna go into a little bit of recovery stuff before our next round. Good work so far, Kate. 30 seconds. All right. First thing for balance, we're gonna go into this drinking bird. We're at single leg RDL, but between sets, when I say 1, we're gonna go into a single leg knee drive. It's gonna look like this. We're starting here. 1, up, back down. 2, back down. 3. Try to maintain your balance and try to go from here with the hip up to here. Don't let the hip stay back. And don't let this be your knee drive. Stand tall, all right? 1 leg to start. Ready? And hold back. Stay balanced. Bend that knee. Get that foot strong. 1. Straight back down. Hold it again. 2. Back down. It's hard, Kate. Yeah, we're out of breath a little bit. Ready? 3. We're going to 5. Back down. 4. Down. Last one before we switch sides. And up. Go ahead and switch. We're gonna start in that drinking bird position again. Bring that leg straight back behind you. Knee should not cave in. You see how my knees wobbling in? Pull that sucker out. Ready? And up for 1. Down. 2. Down. Squeeze that foot. Keep a foot arch. 3. Down. 4. Down. Nice, Kate. Last one. Ready? And 5. Back down. Good work. We're working on balance and movement. That was a nice thing to do between sets, but our next round's coming up. This one is going to be a regular stationary run. Good arm action, stay tall. As we finish that, we're going into a push-up to knee drive, alternating. Your choice is to go down with the knee drive or up. If you're on your knees for this, this is what it's gonna look like. I'm on my knees now. When I come up, drive one knee up. When I go down, up, other knee up. If you're gonna go regular, you can do here and drive and keep it simple that way. After that, we're on our backs for sprinter crunches. Each one's time. So we're gonna stationary run, push up with knee drive, and then we got sprinter crunch. Plenty of time off. Let's get after this. Here we go. A little bit less than 10 seconds. Let's see my clock start. All right. 2, 1, begin. Stay tall and let your arms be free. Keep the chin tucked and move the hands through your body. You can see my hands are back behind my waist. Let it open up. Keep going. Keep going. All right, my countdown. We're going fast to finish. Ready? Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Push up to knee drive. And 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Three, 2, and 1. Spinner crunch. Ready, set, and go. Swing those hands back behind you and get tall each time. 3, 2, 1. All right, set number 1 is done. We got 2 more sets this round. Take a deep breath. All right, 5 seconds. 1, 5, 1, I can't get ready. 5 more seconds. All right, 3, 2, go. Get a good rhythm here. Pick the knees up, those feet are striking right underneath you, and stay tall with the shoulders. All right, my countdown, let's pick this up. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. Push up with that knee drive. Ready? Go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and sprinter crunch. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Breathe out on the way up. Find that pace, keep it up. A few more. 5 seconds. 3, 2, time. Go work, we got 1 more round. Twenty more seconds. 10. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1. This is the last round here. Let's go. Pick up this set. Fast arms, fast legs. Get your rhythm in right now, right now. No slowing down, keep this pace. 10 seconds. All right, let's punch this out right here. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Push up with a knee drive. 3, 2, 1. Keep going. 3, 2, time. Spinner crunch. Let's punch these out. I know we're getting used to it with speed. I have to pick it up as well. So let's go fast here. Ready, set, go. Keep breathing, keep punching. Three, 2, 1. Let's find that pulse again. Ready, and go. 1, stop. Good work. 1 minute off, and we're gonna go back to some balance work again. 2 rounds down. We're flying through this. All right. We got about 30 seconds still. So, last time we went drinking bird and knee drive. This time it's gonna be drinking bird to curtsy lunge. So instead of you guys going from here up, now we're going from here over. So start here and slide over. It's a lot harder to balance. Don't rush this. Think about the challenge is gonna be to lean and come back up, all right? On my count, here we go. Deep breath, 3, 2, and drinking bird. Hold it here. Ready? 1, over and back. Ready? 2, over and back. 3, over, back. You guys, Kate. 4, over, back. Last one. 5, over, and back. All right, shake that leg out, that calf should feel pretty fatigued. Other leg, here we go. And fold. Over, back. 1, 2, over, back. 3, over, back. 4, over, back. Oops. And 5, over, and back. All right. Catch your breath a little bit when you've done that 5th one. That was a hard one, a lot of change of movements. All right. Deep breath. For our final one here, we're gonna do some combination of movements. We're gonna do a shuffle into a jump on the outside. So our first set, we shuffle and jump. This time, it's gonna be a shuffle first, catch on the side, jump, land. Shuffle, jump, land. That's our metabolic part. From there, we're gonna go into the butterfly sit-up, feet planted together, arms come through that full sit-up here. After the butterfly sit-up, we're going immediately into that crunch, that froggy crunch. So butterfly and frog going back to back. Both are timed. A lot of core work, and we're gonna be tired when that happens. So that core work is timed. Go slow during it. You're not trying to crush those reps. It's about controlling the weight down on both ends. So don't just flap to the ground and force yourself back up. Use your muscle coordination there. All right, last set. Shuffle, just jump. Butterfly sit-ups, frog sit-ups. Here we go. Take a deep breath. All right, 3, 2, 1. Shuffle over, catch and jump. Land low, get back in it. Gather those jumps. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and take a seat, butterflies. Here we go. Feet planted, knees wide, hands together. 2 and 1. Come through it. Breathe out as you come all the way up. 3, 2, 1. Hands plant, feet in the air, and knee drive. Find your speed. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. All right. Catch your breath, guys. Remember, you're gonna get out of what you put into this. Find how low you can shuffle. If you know you can't go fast for any reason, what you can do is you can hold in a really good position. The back wants to be here, not here. And the chin wants to be looking slightly down, not kinked up. Keep that in mind. Keep your legs low. Make sure the knees are strong. Don't catch or jump with this internal knee drive. Keep it wide. 10 seconds. Whew. All right, over and jump. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Keep going. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, butterflies. Deep breath. 3, 2, 1. Five seconds in frogs. 3, 2, 1. Keep breathing and use your arms to help out if you need to. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. We got one more. My heart's pumping, Kate. I feel you. We're in the fourth quarter. We need a defensive stop and some rebounds. So we are shuffling and jumping. 15 seconds. 10. Let's grind. Lock into position. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Over, up, land low, and get right into your change of direction. You're landing with the intent to move across. Keep that back strong. Don't let your core turn off. You'll get strain in your back on the landing. So land with a tight core. 10 seconds. Come on, let's get going. 2, 1, done, take a seat. All right, ready, set, go. Three, 2, 1, frog or sit-ups. Five, 4, 3, 2, time. Holy crap. Let's get that pulse one more time. Ready. Go. Stop. Oh, wow. Whew. When you're on fire, you're on fire. What can I say? 6 flat. All right, guys, we're taking a little bit of a break. Catch the heart rate back down. We got one more set of balance work. All right, this next one is gonna be kind of going back to our root, but it's gonna add some rotation. What rotation does is it makes you look around in different places. It kind of has to, you have to really keep your body awareness going on. The rest up, just restart. We're doing that drinking bird with the knee drive, but now the hands are behind our head like we do in the warm-up, that shoulder retraction. And when you drive your knee to your chest, we want to also add rotation. It's going to help release the hip flexor and work on your obliques. So I'm going to demonstrate a few of them real quick on my good side. So how it's going to work, hands are back. We're going to start with that drinking bird. When I drive my knee to my chest, simultaneously I'm going to rotate. So it's going to look like this. We're going down and breathe. Down and breathe. The biggest mistake you're going to do is when you rotate, you're going to shift. When you shift, you're going to fall off balance. So the whole entire time, don't let your vision dictate where you go. Your leg, you have to feel out your leg, feel out your knee, feel out your foot, and be in that moment. So that way when you twist, you don't fall apart. I'm going to probably mess up a few times. That's because we're learning. All right, let's go ahead and get rolling. Starting out with whatever leg you want. When I call the 1, the 2s, and the 3s, that's the knee drive and the twist. Hold it. I'll say 1 down, 2 down. It'll take some time though, all right? Hands back. Ready. And fold over to start. Find your balance. And 1. Down. 2. Down. 3. Down. 4. Down. 5. And down. Reset. Felt good on the last one, but that was really hard. Yeah, your foot, your shin, things are cramping up right now. Let's switch sides. Take a deep breath. For me, it helps me if I look 2 to 3 yards down in front of me and not out to space. So keep it kind of relatively close to your body. All right, hands back, fold the opposite leg. One. Down. 2. Down. 3. Down. 4. Down. And 5. Down. All right. Perfect round. We're gonna finish strong. Take a deep breath. We have a core finisher and then we're out of here. So if you need some water, grab it real quick. I do. We're doing a 4-minute Tabata, one round of 4 minutes, and then we're done. So the 4 exercises. We're gonna start out with mountain climbers. After mountain climbers, we're gonna flip over to V-ups, double or single, your choice. From V-ups, we have TFW twists, and to finish up with the TFW twist from there, we're going into a plank with a back leg extension. All right, so that back leg extension, that low plank, all you're doing is say these are my legs, one leg goes up, all the weight's on this one toe, and you switch and you alternate back and forth, pushing off that big toe. You'll see me doing it at a time. We've got to hop into that. But mountain climbers first, double leg V-ups are second, TFW twists, and plank with that leg rotation. Everything's for time. Find a good rhythm, find a good pace. Let's get going though. Each one is 20 seconds on, and we're gonna go through it for 2 rounds, so it lasts 4 minutes. All right, 20 on, 10 off. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Drive it out. Keep the shins low to the ground and lean your weight over your arms. Find a pace that works for you, guys. Come on. We are halfway. Breathe out and punch those heels back. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Turn over. We got 10 seconds to get ready. We're going V-up, single or double, your choice. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, time. Sit up, cross your feet. When I say halfway, we'll switch the feet to the other side. We got TFW twists. 3, 2, 1. Find your rhythm and sit upright. Switch. All right, 3, 2, 1. Last one, those planks with the leg raise. And then we'll start all over again. 2, 1, and begin. Legs extending, shift your weight over your hands, make your forearms flat and your elbows underneath your shoulders. And time. All right. We have one more round to get through with everything. 20 on, time off. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, kick it out. Come on, Kate. This is your last sets. Let's get through it with good speed. Halfway. 3, 2, 1. All right, we got V-ups. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. TFW twists. 3, 2, 1. It's okay to lean back, but keep yourself tall. Switch your feet. Two, 1. All right, final thing with those straight leg raises and the low plank. All right, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out every time you raise. Three, 2, 1. All right, good work. Let's stretch. We're gonna start out in a kneeling stance when you guys are ready. So yes, my knee is down, but it's not underneath me, it's actually behind me. So shift your weight forward when you're here. My left leg is in front, so we're gonna grab my right hand, reach over your body here, open up a big stretch. Forward and over. Before I switch sides, pick your forward leg up, the toe off the ground, and shift your weight back to that hamstring. And switch it. Forward body, across arm. Again, shifting back. Pick that toe up. All right, we are good. If you need to stretch out anything else, we can do one more action. Let's go pigeon stretch, 9 degrees. Unless you're good, Kate. Yeah, all right, come on back down. Knee down, ankle flexed. Sorry, I forgot this one. We're gonna fall forward. That collapse though is not when your whole body just falling apart and your core turning off. That's a hinge. Think of it like you're doing a deadlift. That same angle is what you're working on. Let the muscles be in control, not turned off. When you're ready to switch sides, go ahead. Okay. Catch you guys on Thursday for another total body. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.